They're doing Monroe about the Icon Mall, gorgeous mall. I'm going to also checking out that brand new store. Thank you. Lass mal da checken. Thank you. Is everything with Shlomi here? It's like Shlomi, gorgeous store. Wow.
Yeah, this is the story heißt Thank you. Denn jeden Tag ein Mensch steht auf und darf geben Thank you für die Employees, für eine Sache. Trachte von Thank you.
Table settings. Das ist eine ganze Parche, was ich allein. Set a table.
Set the table. How to set the table. Shabbos is setting the table. So Yontif, Simchas, and you want to set it nice. We are Malchus Konig. Then darf man es oben shine dishes. We carry January dishes. We have Lab J dishes.
Wow.
Lab J. We carry. This is Wedgwood. We carry different ones. This is the Baccarat vase actually. We have Picard. We have challah boards. Everything for the table. Napkin rings. This is a new napkin ring. New napkin rings, napkin holders. Everything for the table. Vases.
Wow. Echt. And you help people. You teach college how to set up a table shop.
Then when someone comes here to set up the tables, there's a staff setting it up with the napkin ring, with the napkin, the esaik, the dishes to it, the cups.
This is the famous company.
This is Mackenzie, the copy. This is the copy. This is the copy.
So I see you cater for everybody. I'm able to copy.
Also from the Heimische. Then we have January. January is a very high-end brand. It's a very January. It's a very nice piece. It's what they have dishes all over, nice dishes. And then we carry for the Wabin, and some for the Wabin, for the Kallas, Hamadin's jewelry, Annabelle Arams, also a famous brand. Jewelries are very popular. Perfumes, watches.
Nice. I say the styles get better and better. Which company is this?
This is Vista. It's called Vista.
Unique. Everything has a unique style over here. Wow. High style salad dishes. They say epoxy chevda. Very cool. Raisin and epoxy. Shlomo carries it too. All the unique colors, with styles. You can really find everything in this place. Mackenzie. Jede bekannt schon mit the Mackenzie. Beautiful look over here. And you got
an authorized dealer in Muncie and Monroe. We sell it. The only one is in Muncie and Monroe.
You're the only seller in the whole Muncie and Monroe?
Correct, yeah.
Wow.
Since I'm a so it's kind of suben.
The famous Mackenzie.
Green, tea blue. They have now the new toasters, pink, gray,
mocha. Cute. There's a toaster oven.
Yeah, a real toaster.
Mackenzie, gehirige toaster, Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Nice.
Vases, cookie jars. They have this cookie
teddy bears. Cute.
So for the color,
a roller pin.
They have for the time.
So cute.
Salt and pepper. Clocks. They have clocks as well.
A ganze Wand von Mackenzie haben wir. And versteht sich, if somebody lives in Borough Park, einer wohnt in Lakewood, kann ordern von dich auch jetzt?
Order on WhatsApp. We take orders through WhatsApp, and instead of like the number,
gelacht auf the screen, WhatsApp it, and you get your order.
We'll deliver it the next day.
I'm not sure for WhatsApp and orders. I know employees. I know the ganze staff of employees. Somebody has all these kids, teachers in school, and will go to shine Mackenzie items. He can send you a list of their addresses.
Since the minutes, as I mentioned, this is our budget, and in Zwoma they spend. This is the addresses, and that's it. And they give us, and we take care of everything. And
no way.
Yeah.
Lassen wir sogar eine Stapel hechen. Will personalizen jede gift.
We do personalization as well. We do it. We have a personalized shop. We do everything personalized. We have for companies logos. We do it everything.
No way. You can send a list of 30 employees with each one's name and it's engraven of jeder.
We do for companies that say sending for every anniversary for the employee, schicken sie gift. Ja, mit seinen Nummern.
No way, ich glaube von jeder company.
With the number, with the alles.
That's a headache of the boss. The boss schickt a list and he's off his head.
Correct.
In the employee bekommt the Tag von seiner anniversary, a gift sie dann home delivered.
Yeah, anniversary in the company. Anniversary in the company. How long he works in the company.
Suchst du, deze suchst du. Okay, pull back. I was I thought his own anniversary. He started working January 7th in the company. Did you January 7th give that a gift?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah. It's the famous Baccarat lighting, the chandelier. Verkauft Menschen kaufen das auch?
We can verkaufen. We are authorized lighting dealer. then we could sell it. If someone's looking to buy baccarat lighting, all kind of lighting, we could give it to them.
Baccarat lovers.
Then we do gift wrapping. This is Mackenzie's, and it comes in a nice box. We're sending it. If someone wants to say some sort of thank you, and they could give a gift card with a thank you card in
beautiful
in the box. And it says
ich
thank
will
you.
ausboten eine Sache, Shlomi. Wenn einer kauft einem a thank you gift card, it's beautiful. Er bekommt a thank you. The actual thank you he's getting. It's just so nice.
Yeah, he's getting a thank you. He's getting a thank you. He's getting a thank you with a double. He's getting
a thank you.
Yes, he's getting a thank you.
Wow.
This is small vases we have for the Kalas Nacham Shusha B'Shvat. Set up different things.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Set up.
This is gorgeous. Also the baccarat flower.
Yes, and this is a baobab diffuser, also flowers, a perfume, a tray.
Wow.
And also, as we said, we do engraving companies, we do engraving invitations as well.
Wow, okay, so you engrave this yourself and
yes.
you ship it to the Mechtunim or whatever.
We set it up after that, a nice setup.
Unbelievable.
And we do everything. It's personalized, and we're setting it up and we're sending it. Then you don't need to do anything. All the headaches down.
En aan bijna werd ausgemischt in de Schatten. Du hast noch ein Bett hoch. Ich kann es rübergehen.
Ich kann es rüberlegen. Betten haben wir ins Kitchenes, Accent Pillows. Du haben jetzt noch eine ganze Sache mit Accent Pillows.
Ich habe eine Sache gifts to, but this is something unique. According to the space, it's huge. How many square feet is the store?
3,000 square feet.
3,000 square feet of gifts. It was located in Monroe in the Icon Mall.
And we have a location in Muncie as well.
What's the address in Muncie?
99 Route 59. 99 Route 59.
99 Route 59 in Muncie.
And WhatsApp us 845-425-9100. Text, WhatsApp, call. It's all address.
Website hast du auch.
Website also, ThanQ.Gifts.
ThanQ.Gifts.
No.com.
No.com. Gifts.
Gifts.
It's cute, original. When you put thank you into the computer, it's not thank you regular. It's a THAN with a Q. Okay, ThanQ.Gifts. Shlomi, unreal, blown away. The Gedanken what they also do, with the companies what they also do, with the malice what they also do. As a company could just throw the headache on you. In Hashlach, and you have it. You carry it, Fim.
And
we all know when the Shik's employee, I get the gift, he works like a whole different employee.
Yeah, so appreciation is always good. It's for the Wab appreciation is always.
If for the employee you got to do it, for the wife of course you have to do it. Gevre, say it with thank you, and it's going to be a whole different experience. Thank you! Maar ganz vergessen wegen der Perlowitz promotion. Was ist an der promotion?
The promotion is the erste 100 Menschen, die signen sich auf the status von ThanQ Gifts. Aber geht rein an der Gürtel, sie gewinnen a toaster. A Mackenzie Child's toaster. Then whatever color they want, they're going to be able to...
Gaan we dat zo nog een lang de WhatsApp nummer doen. Sign zich erop, zit de Mackenzie, niet Mackenzie, zit de ThanQ status. Je kan met alle beautiful gifts in Mackenzie, alle nieuwe items, and you can go into a raffle, first 100 people only. So you have a big chance to win a Mackenzie Child's beautiful toaster.